Hello, good morning. Today, we will be discussing about reading and writing, place value and value, and rounding off decimals. To start with, let's study the chart below. So we have this number. This is read as 5,987 ten thousandths. This is written on this chart. So let's talk about the place value. So what is the place value of 5? You will notice we have the decimal point here and we have 5 here. So the place value of 5 is tenths. The place value of 9 is hundredths, while the place value of 8 is thousandths. 7 has a place value of 10 thousandths. 0, it comes before the decimal point. This is the 1. So kung may number pa dito, that is the tens. So how about the value? So we have the value. Since the place value of 5 is tenths, the value is 0.59. The place value is hundredths. Its value is 0.09. The place value of 8 is thousandths. It is the third number from the decimal point. So we will have 3 decimal places. So it should be 0.008. The value of 7 is 0.0007. So this is read as 7 ten thousandths. Let's have another example. You have this one. This is read as 12 and 3,748 ten thousandths. Notice that the point here is read as end. So this is 12 end. Okay? So what is the place value of 4? We have the 4 here. You will not, here's the decimal point. So this will be, you will write 3 here, 7 here, then 4 here. So the place value of 4 is thousandths. How about 3? It comes after the decimal point. If we have the decimal point here, we have the tens here, so that is the tenths. The 7, we have the hundredths. Yung 1, it comes before the decimal point. So, ito siya. So, that is tens. Notice the difference between the two. Tenths, it has THS. And ito, tens. Wala siyang THS. So, lahat ng place value niya, it ends with S. Yung value ng 4, nandito yung 4, di ba? We have 3 here, 7, then 4. So, we have, it is the third number after the decimal point. So, we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 decimal numbers. So, the value is 0.004. Babaguhin nyo lang to. You will just change this to 0. You may also write it as 0.004. So, pareho lang siya. The value of 3 is 0.3. So, if you will notice, nawawala na yung number dito, then you will change, you will just drop this. 700 siya. So, 2 decimal places, you will change this to 0 and drop all the numbers. Then, we have the place value of 1 is tens. So, this is the value of tens. Of 1, tens. Okay? So, to answer the activity, sabi dito, write the place value and the value of the underlined digit in each number. So, ang underline dito ay 3. So, may answer sheet tayo Dito nyo isusulat yung sagot nyo. And you will pass this answer sheet. Okay? Write the place value and the value of the underlined digit in each number. So, ano daw yung place value nito? So, we have tenths, hundredths. So, hundredths ang place value niya. What is the value? 0.03. So, yan din ang gagawin nyo for the rest of the items. So, for activity 2, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Write the letter of the correct answer on the space provided before the number. On this case, we have the answer sheet. So, dito nyo sasagutan yung activity 2 kung anong letter yung sagot nyo. Letter na lang. Okay? So, for activity 3, it says, read and write in words each number on the space provided. So, sasagutan nyo to sa answer sheet, ha? So, it says 9 and 5 hundredths. So, you will write it like this, 9 and 5 hundredths. For activity 4, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Write the letter that best corresponds to your answer on the space provided before each item. So, 8 and 9 hundredths. So, alin ba yung tamang basa dyan? So, you will just write your letter on the answer sheet. On this case, answer the following. Write your answer on the blank. The circumference of a circle is 3 and 14 hundredths. Write this decimal in standard form. Ano raw ba yung standard form nito? So, this is 3.14. So, isusulat nyo sa answer sheet, 3.14. So, let's start with rounding off decimals. We have this number. This is 325 thousandths. So, you're going to round this to the nearest hundredths. Alin ba dito yung hundredths place? So, 2 is the hundredths place. This is our rounding off place. So, what is the number at the right? 5. So, it is round up. When you say round up, you're just going to add 1. Di ba? Pagka 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9. So, the number at the right, so round up yon. So, mag-a-add lang tayo ng 1 sa 2. And, you will just drop this number. So, tatanggalin mo na to. So, 325,000 is 33 hundredths to the nearest hundredths. So, yan lang. So, you will just drop the last number. So, let's have another example. We're going to round this to the nearest tenths. So, the tenths place is 2. So, it will be 0.2. The number at the right is 3. So, round down lang siya. Pag round down, you will not do anything with the 2. So, i-drop nyo na lang yung number, all the numbers at the right. And that's it. We have 12 and 15,346 hundred thousandths. So, the tens place is 1. The number at the right is 5. So, round up yan. Yung 1 will become 2. So, you will just copy all the numbers at the right. So, yung 1 naging 2. And you will just drop all these numbers. So, pag ni-round mo to the nearest tenths, hanggang tenths lang yung maiiwan. Okay? We have this one. 132 and 46,435 hundred thousandths. The rounding place is 4. The number at the right is 6. So, round up. 4 will become 5. So, you will just copy all the rest of the numbers. When you round this to the nearest hundredths, the hundredths place is 3. It means hanggang dyan lang yung matitira. We will only have 2 decimal number kasi hanggang hundreds lang. So, the number to be rounded is 3. The number at the right is 5. So, round up. 3 will become 4. You will add 1. So, iyan yung magiging rounded number natin. This one, 12 and 15,346 hundred thousand. The rounded number is 5. The number at the right is 3, so round down. So, it will still be 12.15. This one, 132.46. With thousands place, you have this one, 0.236. So, pag thousands, 3 digits ang matitira. Okay? So let's answer activity 5. Round to the nearest hundredths. So alin ba ang hundredths diyan? So yung 3. So this will become 91.54. Kasi the number at the right of 3 is 7. So round up yan. So ganyan ang gagawin nyo for activity 5. For activity 6, round to the nearest thousandths naman. Ito hundredths, this one thousandths. For activity 7, read and answer the following. Write your answer on the space provided for. So, Earth travels around the Sun at speed of about 29 and 7,836 10,000 km per second. Round this to the nearest thousandths. So, sabi dito, to the nearest thousandths. So the answer here, that the thousandths place is 3. The number at the right is 6. So round up. That's why the answer is 29 and 784 thousandths. So you will do the same with the rest of the items. And that's it. Happy learning!